Customers always asking if your CNC machines can do loading and unloading processing? Yes, that's right. The machining center can also achieve long-term unmanned processing with a manipulator. Our company started to contact with automation in 2016, loading and unloading manipulators. Take a look at T-7P BBD40. Matched is an automatic induction door and the manipulator on the customer's site. It can realize unmanned processing. If you are interested in automating, loading and unloading machines, welcome to call Julie Xu.